Hey everybody, welcome to the video. Just want to do an introduction to the necklace blueprint. This is something that I'm very excited about. I've been doing it for a little bit here and I really enjoy it. It's a nice way to make a lot of money selling basically necklaces, and we're going to show you exactly how we do that, and we've even got proof that it works. So, thank you for joining us. So why are we bothering with necklaces? Well, there's a lot of reasons, but people love them. People wear them. You can customize them. It's a huge market, like t-shirt market huge, which is billions and billions of dollars every year. And we're going to walk you through it all. So we also have proof. So this is not theory that we're going to show you. This is what we do, and we do it every day. We being me mainly. Covering everything in detail. We're going to go through mindset, design, research, pixels. We're going to go through gearbubble.com, which is who we use as our fulfillment and drop shipper. And we're going to look at Facebook ads in depth to show you exactly how to not only create these beautiful necklaces that we're going to sell, but we're also going to show you how to market them. And why not market them on Facebook? Because it works really, really well. So, what we expect. There is one golden rule. If you have a question, we expect you to ask for help. Alright? The only stupid question is the one that is not asked. So, please ask questions along the way. So what's next? Introduce yourself on the Facebook group. Go through all the videos in week 1 first. Then you can ask questions, get help, and succeed. Each week, you will automatically have the next week unlock in the membership area for you. There's 4 weeks of training, and you go through each one, and it basically each week builds on the week before. Okay, so we start you at square one, and then we build it out from there. So we know you're going to love this training. I'm looking forward to working with you. I'm excited to show you what I've been doing because it's working really, really well. So we'll see you in the next video.